This is dangerous shit right here. Shit!
Look at this mud puddle, like, have you ever seen a mud puddle like this? I can't even, look at my reflection, wow!
Alright, Tasha, get
Dude,
on
no, leave it on, get on that bike.
I'll work this bike.
She's actually gonna ride that, I know. Risky, but, you know.
Wearing a helmet, so. Oh my gosh!
Natasha, I have my Blackberry. You better fucking not.
Look at it!
Alright, get on the bike.
I was thinking this bike's wet. Just kidding.
Make it even more dangerous.
It was actually supposed to be rainy today, but look at the sky. I don't think it's going to be rainy anytime soon. Matt, look at the sky. I don't think it's going to be rainy anytime soon.
Oh, that looks pretty. Okay, go. Oh my god.
I don't know how to ride a bike. I never have. Just kidding. No, I actually can't. I can't ride a bike.
Ah! Well, you biked to my house once.
Yeah, but I was like this little. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna go follow that car. Let's go. Think I can make it?
No.
I do.
Faster!
Get back to the camera. I'm gonna go down the road. I won't drop you here.
If you drop it, I swear to God.
I won't.
Here I go, boys. I'm going pretty fast, aren't I? Check out this house. This is going to be a nice house. I'm turning around now. Alright, going back up to Madison. Shit, I fell off the road. Okay. We're just making a YouTube video because we're Nova Scotians and we're really bored. Here's Madison. Alright, well, that's it for today, boys. May the force be with you.